If you're looking for the best and easiest way that's non-toxic to clean and deodorize your very expensive wooden cutting board, allow me to show you this easy solution. Take 1 part baking soda, 1 part coarse salt, and any citrus wedge that you have lying around your house. Making a combination of this will get out all the food particles, stains, and odors within your board. Cut a lemon or lime in half, then sprinkle the baking soda across the entire cutting board, then spread the coarse salt across the entire cutting board as well. Now take your cut of lemon or lime and start grinding this baking soda and salt mixture into your board and get a really good paste going. Now the mixture that we made, the salt basically scrubs out all the fine food particles and stains. The baking soda deodorizes and neutralizes all the odors, things like garlic and onion that may have found its way in the wood. And lemon is gonna help disinfect and break down all the grease, plus it's gonna leave a nice fresh smell. Now let this sit on here for 5 to 10 minutes, and when that time has elapsed, scrape off the mixture and wash it clean. Already so much better. Now, if you need to sanitize your board, you know what you can actually do? You can use a little bit of white vinegar, but make sure you spray it on. I like to use this little spray bottle here that I got at the dollar store. Fill it up, lightly spray across the entire board, and let that vinegar sit on there for right around 1 to 2 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water and dry with a towel. Make sure you don't air dry your wooden cutting board because it can cause things like cracking and warping or increasing the risk of bacteria. And I'm sure your water in your faucet is probably hard water, so mineral deposits can get in here too, making your board feel rough or raised or fuzzy over time. So be smart, just use a towel. Now there is one more important step you have to do at the end, and that is condition your expensive wooden cutting board. And for that, I've already got a video on it, which you can check out over to the side. Or if you're interested in getting yourself one of these really expensive and awesome TCOS cutting boards, I recommend also checking the video over to my side. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I'll catch you all in the next video.